On July 4th, during the celebration of Rwanda's 30th Liberation Day in Harare, Zimbabwe's Foreign Affairs Minister, Frederick Shava, took a moment to extend profound thanks to Rwanda's President Paul Kagame, because Rwanda generously donated 1,000 tons of maize to Zimbabwe. This gesture comes in response to Zimbabwe's urgent call for aid, as President Emerson Mnangagwa had declared a state of disaster back in April. So, Rwanda's timely donation isn't just a drop in the bucket, it's a beacon of hope. It's moments like these that remind us of the power of solidarity, and it doesn't stop there. Zimbabwe also received a significant boost from the African Risk Capacity, amounting to $31.8 million, specifically for drought relief. This financial aid is crucial for a country working tirelessly to avert famine and ensure that no lives are lost to hunger. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more stories that matter. Until next time, stay informed and stay hopeful.